Hey, aloha guys, it's Dave from Millionaire to Millionaire. Today I wanted to tell you how I made $1,142.71 last month in 1 hour of work. Before I do that, click subscribe and smash that like button and let us know you appreciate this. Now watch the intro and I'll answer your questions. There's a lot of talk in real estate about passive income. Now, the reason that people talk about passive income is because once you get it established, which is not always the easiest, it can be really enjoyable. Now, the truth of the matter is that it's not always just passive income. You still have to do something. So I did 1 hour worth of work last month for all of my real estate portfolios. And in that 1 hour, I made $1,142.71 as advertised. And I can show you that, boop, from my property manager. The way I did this is because I have created systems to where I have my 13 units, that's the ones I'm counting right now. So I have my 13 units, brought in $1,142.71 after income and then expenses. And that money was dropped into my bank account via a check. But the only work I did throughout the entire month on those properties was filling out my spreadsheet. And realistically, I need to hire that out to a virtual assistant, and I can make it even less time. But I don't mind doing the 1 hour worth of spreadsheet bookkeeping for my properties. So the problem here is it took a lot of time and work to get there. It took time to analyze the single family. It took time to analyze the duplex. It took time to analyze the 10 unit, and it took time to set up systems and get them all running smoothly. But once they're set up and once they're on a solid system and you have a good property manager, they don't bother you. My property manager can evict tenants, repair units, replace tenants, and I won't even know about it unless I ask. Because I've told her, unless you break a certain dollar amount, don't notify me. Just run the properties, run the process, and I get to enjoy the money. The peace of mind that comes from knowing I'm getting a check every month for essentially doing nothing is huge. And every property that I buy will increase that passive income amount. Now, there will be some fluctuations. That's why it's such a specific number, because the month prior to that, it was closer to $1,500, and probably next month, knock on wood, it'll probably be a little lower. Who knows, right? It fluctuates, but as it evens out over the year, it's usually around $1,200 to $1,500 a month for doing nothing every month. And that's been increasing because I've been purchasing properties every year. And that's not to include the money that is left in capital expenditure, savings accounts, reserves accounts, and stuff that I don't touch, that's kept as like an owner account in my property manager's account. There's a couple $1,000s in there to utilize for oh shit moments or emergencies. So the reason I'm telling you guys this and the reason I'm showing you this number is to say, A, I'm not making $700 billion in real estate every month. I'm a real person, right? And B, to show you that I'm a real person who's making income in addition to his W-2 job for not a whole lot of work, realistically. And there are other streams of income out there, but for those 13 rental units, I do almost nothing and I make a solid return. So this is the true value of passive income, is that if I lost my job today and I had to go live somewhere really cheap, you know, $1,100 is enough to survive on in some areas. I know for those of you in California or Hawaii, you're like, oh my goodness, he's full of crap. You can't survive there. Got it. But if I go back to Missouri, $1,100 will rent me a 2-bedroom apartment, a car, and insurance for everything. Now, I might be eating ramen noodles and drinking faucet water the whole time I'm in that month, but you know what? I'm not going to die. So that's powerful. That's a safety net, because knowing that my worst case scenario is to live, you know, a very boring lifestyle until I get my finances back, it's really not that bad. So passive income allows you the opportunity to know that you're going to survive when crap hits the fan, which provides you more confidence to pull the trigger on bigger deals, which then allows you to invest in bigger deals, which provides more passive income, which provides a bigger safety net and more confidence to invest in bigger deals. And you can see how this would just exponentially increase your wealth. The cool thing is that once you hit a certain amount of passive income, you can just walk away from your job and be like, meh, I'm done, guys. See ya. And go do whatever it is that you want to do and focus on changing the world, or changing yourself so that you can change the world. The point, guys, is that passive income is freedom, and freedom is control of your life. And passive income allows you to take control of your life and be financially free, which is what we all want. Well, maybe we don't all want it, but I want it. And I'm sure if you're watching this, you probably want it too. So guys, go learn about investing, or piggyback off someone who's learning about investing and say, I've got money to invest. That's even more passive. If you invest money privately, and this is not a plug saying give me your money, but if you invest money privately with someone who's investing in real estate, that's even more passive, because now you literally don't do anything except say, here's my money, give me a check. And you agree on details, and voila, you get passive income. That's what syndicators do. That's what other people's money is used for, private money. I mean, there's a lot of cool opportunities. So you don't even have to learn about real estate or whatever your passive income venture is. You just have to meet people that are in that venture that you trust, and then lend them money on good terms, and you'd be amazed what happens. So guys, look into passive income. Find ways to create different little streams of income to front your needs and your wants and your desires and your lifestyle so you can take control, get that financial freedom, develop yourself, build that little snowball of wealth, and then go change the freaking world. Do it. Subscribe, click the bell, do the things, smash the button, whatever that I'm supposed to say to help this channel grow so that we can reach more people. But more importantly, if you got something out of this, share it with your friends and say the Schmuckin' and Aloha shirt said to do so. Have a great day.